Introducing GardenStax. For easy raised gardens. GardenStax are easy to assemble. Start by removing the packaging. Align 2 corners. Use the 4 pins to connect the corners. Stack them high, stack them low. Sit back and watch your garden grow. GardenStax can be painted the colour of your choice. Create a truly unique garden. Get creative. Add a base and wheels. GardenStax can also be used for storage bins, compost bins, tiered gardens stacked to the height that suits you. Visit gardenstax.co.nz for more information.